My name's Heather Powell and I'm the Head of Service for Wrexham and Dydd Miwsig Music Cooperative. So today is Welsh Music Day, so this is our first time in Wrexham Early Years Centre to celebrate Welsh Music Day. So we've brought a live band over our Make Some Noise tour to teach the children lots about all the different instruments through live music in the classroom. And then this afternoon we're going over to Haverfordware Primary School as well. It's the Make Some Noise band, so they're from the Wrexham Music Cooperative, and we're the new music service in Wrexham that began in September 2018 when the council cut provision for music in Wrexham. We've formed a cooperative, as we've done very successfully in Denbighshire, and we're now covering lots of Wrexham schools, and there's lots of music going on for the children, which is fantastic. We're lucky to secure Dylan's services today, obviously because he's in much demand, so Dylan's with us today, which is fantastic. It's very rare for the children to hear live harp in a classroom, and you can see by the children's faces exactly what it means to them. It's been absolutely brilliant. Yeah, there's a mix today, so it's just all about celebrating music, and they've put some Welsh numbers in there as well to celebrate Welsh Music Day, getting the children involved, and they're going to be doing some workshops in a minute where the children get hands-on with the instruments and things like that.
Well, we're here today as part of the Wrexham Music Cooperative and the Denbighshire Music Cooperative to publicise and celebrate the Welsh Music Day, Dydd Miwsig Cymru. So there's a gang of us here come and sort of did some impromptu performances and get the kids involved and start singing things in Welsh, English, all sorts. We try and put in the programme, name all the Welsh composers and the Welsh singers, and they all know them, but they don't know what sort of music they do. So we've been trying to do some Welsh folk songs, some pop songs, and throw some Welsh traditional ones in, and did some harp music. I don't think they've seen sort of anything like that here for a while, and we're trying to build up on the service in Wrexham and get more kids involved and get some more harpists out there, because I'm a harpist myself, but we're trying to put all the instruments out, and then so that everybody can access the service.